Dear student, today I am going to start a very fascinating topic, that is cell. First of all, we have to know that what is cell. So let's start. Student, do you know how a mason build a building? You know? Don't know? Okay, let's see. First of all, what is it? One brick. किसी भी मकान को बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले एक ईंट लेता है. Then these brick join together to form a wall like this. This is wall. From brick a wall is formed, and with these wall, when four wall come together, there is a room. And a group of room is what? Is a house. You can see like this. This is a house. So from a brick there is a wall. From a wall there is a room. And the combination of room is nothing but the house. And a number of houses together form a colony. So this is the theme of the cellular structure of the organism. So as we are taking the brick over there to form a house, to build a house, here we'll take a cell. Cell. Just like brick is the fundamental unit of this house, the cell is the fundamental and basic unit of the body. A number of cells group together to form a tissue. So this is a number of cells grouped together and forming a tissue. Tissue is synonym to wall over there. But these cells must be similar in their function. Then they can form a tissue. And a group of tissue is what? That is an organ. That is an organ. This organ may be like this. This organ may be like ear. This organ may be like eyes. So different organs are formed with these tissue. Organ like a room. And when these organs perform a function, they form organ system. For example, when these organs come together, they form what? Face. Yeah. This is the organ system. And all the organ system join to form a body like this. So from here it is clear that cell is the fundamental or basic unit of life which join together. The group of the similar cell is called tissue, and the group of the tissue which perform a particular function is called organ, and the group of the organ which perform a particular type different function is called organ system. And all the organ system, when joined together, they form a body. So cell is the fundamental unit of the body, like the brick is the fundamental unit of this colony. I think now it is very clear that cell is of what importance to us. So let's discuss what happened. What is inside the cell? What the cell is particular is, how it is discovered.